Now here's something you don't see every day. One, me not wearing a shirt that says Volo Museum on it, and two, a 1962 Plymouth Sport Fury convertible. You don't see them because they only made 1,516 of them total. This one here is a slick car. The tail end is so cool. It's cool from every angle you see it. Colors are amazing. Bucket seats, push button, has a 440 dual quad engine under the hood, factory air conditioned car, but that really makes it rare. I've been chasing this car, and there's a black 62 Dodge on our website. Just got him from the same guy. He's a serious Mopar collector for years. His father was doing business with my father decades ago. Anyway, you're getting the car from a Mopar guy, takes care of his cars. Again, I've been after these for years. We finally got them. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 beautiful classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, look at the lines on this. I'm a car guy, and if I went to a car show and seen this sitting there, and if someone said, hey, what year and make and model is that? I'd be like, I don't know, because you just never see them. Black, and he's owned it a long time, 20, 30 years. And this is an older paint job, and it presents itself beautifully because the body is so clean and straight. So the paint shows really well, like a mirror, but there's some flaws in it. It's been a long time since it's been painted. All nice, beautiful, clean, straight metal. Door shuts nice, window rattled a little bit. There's some little pimples in the paint right here that I just noticed when I was dusting the car off. Just some real faint ones. Again, been there a long time. This is all beautiful, shiny black paint, all straight, all lines up real nicely. And just look at the sculpted lines. It's just so cool. All of this is looking really sharp. Doors do shut nice. Has this nice body line extruding outwards. Beautiful design, sculpture on the body, and it's in very nice shape with very slick paint. Here's something that like stained the paint if you look for it. So like I said, there's going to be a few flaws. Stand here, it's amazing. Windshield looks very good. The rubber is good. All the chrome and trim looks like it may be original, but it's all very good. Up front here, the unique grille, probably original, very good. Bumper's been re-chromed. This is good, original, looks nice. Obviously has some updated American Racing Torque Thrust wheels on there with Indianapolis Speedway tires. All this is original stuff. All looks good. It's not abused, but it has some wear on it, some age. The top boot is a black canvas. It has a real nice black convertible top underneath there. There's pictures of that on our website, volocars.com. And I just love this back panel with the 3 tail lights, the chrome around them. Bumper's been redone. The rest of it, I imagine, is original, although this piece right here is very shiny. I bet that piece has been redone. Why don't we open it up? Bet you haven't seen this interior or what's under that hood in a long time. All right, let's see what we got in the trunk here. Wow, underneath this original paint under here. I bet that's an original sticker. That's very cool. The jam might be original and still in good shape. The weather strip has been replaced. And look at that, it's got the full liner kit with the like cardboard style panels on the side. That tire cover over the spare. The jack is under there. Well liner's been replaced. Trunk mat has been replaced. Yeah, good solid car. These trunk springs and hinges, that's kind of unique too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll never know what you'll see on there. We get some great pieces like this one here. Door jambs are painted nicely. Weather strips are good. Door panels are beautiful. They look like they've been reupholstered in the red and black combination. And the red continues right on to the dash. And here's that push button transmission we talked about. This is how you put it in park. You put it in drive or reverse. Original gauges, but look at that, the clock is ticking. But all this is nice. The heater controls match the push-button transmission controls. This is all real nice. Here's the factory air-conditioned vents. So it's a factory air car. This dash pad looks to be in real nice shape. There's some literature that comes with it. What do we got here? I think that might be an antenna, one of those hidden antennas. Factory air-conditioned vent right here. Carpet's been replaced. Added some gauges so you can keep an eye on the engine's vitals. It's a Sport Fury, so it's buckets with a console. It's an original console in good shape. Seats have been re-cushioned, reupholstered. Nice two-tone red and black. Same thing in back. Carpet's all real nice. You got seat belts front and back for everybody, all reupholstered side to side. Interior lights work. So yeah, looks good. Steering wheel's been repainted. Good original visors and mirror. Yep, neat piece. So I don't know how to convey this to you. It's a really good car. I'm looking at the door jambs up here. I think they're original and they're clean. This has never been completely taken apart. And there's a lot of people that prefer it that way. So there's a powerhouse sitting right there. That's a 440 built engine up on top. It's got the dual quads. They're Carter AFBs with the original style chrome oval valve covers. Even has the stickers on them. Upgraded with an electric choke. Edelbrock intake, Mopar chrome valve covers, and a nice set of headers. Now let's look around the engine. Look at the firewall, how clean it is. Look at all the components. They all look proper and fresh. The whole engine bay, clean, smooth, straight metal. It's got the horns. The alternator looks fresh. Radiator looks good. It's a Mopar radiator. So it is a factory air-conditioned car, but it does have an upgraded compressor, and it has the upgraded Freon, updated with Borgeson power steering. The battery's properly secured. This is all clean. It's got manual brakes, dual reservoir it's upgraded to. They are disc up front. Then under the hood's painted nicely too. All right, Michael's going to show you how it runs, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Got a super cool Sport Fury convertible here. We have some inclement weather in our area, and there's a lot of salt on the roads, but we don't have any salt on our test track, so we're taking for a little spin around here and just showing you that the car does run and drive. This one does have dual quads on it. It started extremely easily in our showroom and has run really nice since then. I know sometimes you get multiple carburetors, they can be finicky to go ahead and tune, but this one seems really nicely dialed in. I do know that it came from a long-time owner and he was reluctant to go ahead and sell it, but yeah, seems like a really good car so far. No crazy shakes or rattles inside, no funny noises, anything like that. And our shop did go ahead and service this vehicle. There were a few things that they did to it, nothing crazy. And if you need a full listing of that, you can go ahead and check out the details on our website. A little punch there for you. Yeah, you can see all is good. Check out all the details and the full description on volocars.com.
So the underneath of this car is just a really well preserved and maintained underside. The floors, no rust at all. Looks dry as a chalkboard under there. Clean original metal, suspension and steering and brakes. That's all been maintained as needed. It is upgraded with disc brakes up front. They didn't have it yet at that time, so that's an upgrade. Nice custom exhaust, fat pipes, got the crossover pipe. It goes out the back. It has some nice tailpipes with turn down tips all tucked up there, looking really good. Bottom of the motor has a giant capacity oil pan that helps the motor run a little cooler and a little cleaner with some extra oil. It is the 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission. The pan looks brand new, so I'm sure that's been down and serviced. Front to back, just clean, proper, rock solid condition. So you want a unique car, a muscle car with some air. This is rare. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 62 Sport Fury convertible delivered to your driveway and how to use the financing if you need it. Thanks for watching.